should be able to, one, define depreciation. Identify. Number two, identify some of the causes. Number three, name or carry out depreciation using various methods. And lastly, number four, you state the importance of calculating depreciation. Now, I know it's not the first time unasikia hii inaitwa depreciation, so lazima uko na idea about depreciation. So when volunteer maybe to try and give us the explanation. Volunteer.
The value of assets.
Yes.
Over
we can say depreciation is the decrease in value of an asset over a specified lifespan. Are we together?
Yeah.
We will move to the second learning outcome, where we look at the causes of depreciation. Number one, we have wear and tear. For example, a motor vehicle is an example for a fixed asset, which we normally use in various businesses and companies. And for example, you buy a motor vehicle for 1 million. Let's say in 2025, you purchase a motor vehicle for 1 million, and then you start using it in your business in order to provide services like delivery. So the moment you continue using the motor vehicle, it will not remain at the same price. The price will increase due to wear and tear. Are we together? Next, maybe you can give us some of the causes. Yes, Amir. Yes? Obsolescence. When we say obsolescence, we mean umetumia gari hadi miaka imeenda, hadi imetoka fashion. That is what we call obsolescence. Another cause, and
market demand change.
Market demand change. Market demand change. Tukisema market demand change, tunamaanisha nini? What do you mean? Market demand change? Maybe I can say we have different types of vehicles from different companies. Maybe in 2025 we have TX, we have TZG, and maybe some people are purchasing TZG in large numbers compared to TX. So we say TX imetoka market. It's out of market demand. Okay. Any cause? Another cause? Yes.
Lifespan.
Yes.
Lifespan.
Lifespan. Okay, maybe you can say technological advancement. Technological advancement. Change in technology. Hiyo kila mtu anaelewa. Change in technology. Wewe uelewi. When we say technological advancement or change in technology, for example, kitambo hatukukuwa na mambo na AI, but AI imekuja. So that is a technological change. Now, under depreciation, you can say something may change price or depreciate due to change in technology, because technology may add some advancement or let's say imeongeza ladha ama imeongeza the form of a vehicle, ikatoka venye ilikuwa, at least ikaleta a new form which will give customers an urge of owning it more. That na hiyo itafanya gari either iongeze bei ama ipunguze bei. Are we together? Okay, let's move to methods used in calculating depreciation, and we have two methods. One, we have a method called straight line, and two, we have a method called reducing balance. Under straight line, we estimate depreciation using the cost, initial cost of the fixed asset. We also use the lifespan, and we use the scrap value or the scrap value, also called the salvage value, and we calculate using the following formula. You can say straight line method. The formula is, you take the initial cost of the fixed asset, you less the scrap value of the fixed asset, and then you divide by the useful life or the lifespan of the fixed asset. The answer you get will be your annual depreciation. Are we together? Hapo kila mtu ako sawa? We move to the next method, reducing balance. Under that, we take the book value of the asset, that all the initial costs, whichever the way you call it, we multiply by the depreciation rate. In that question, utapewa rate that you will be using to calculate depreciation. For example, tuseme umepewa 20%, you take the initial cost, then you multiply by the 20% in order to get the annual depreciation. Are we together? Are we together?
Yes.
Any question up to there? Any question? Any question?
No question.
No question. That means everybody is okay. Maybe you can look at a small example. Maybe let's say in a question you have been given a question saying calculate annual depreciation of a motor vehicle having an initial cost or book value of 2 million, scrap value of let's say 50,000, and then a useful lifespan of 5 years. Here we just substitute directly the formula. We'll take the initial cost 2 million, and then you less the scrap value 15,000, and then you divide by the lifespan 15 years. 5 years. I mean 5 years. Sorry. Answer again. Five years. 3 million, 3,000, 3,000. This will be 20 million minus 15,000. 2 million minus 15,000. Sorry.
1.985.
After dividing, divide by 5. 1.97. This will be your depreciation 1 year. For you to calculate the depreciation for all those 5 years, you multiply by 5 to get the accumulated depreciation for the 5 years. Now, let's move to importance of calculating depreciation. And one, we can say accurate financial reporting. Maybe we'll just read because of time. Number 2, tax benefits. Number 3, management, asset management. Number 4, cost allocation. And 5, financial planning. Under the same, you will have an assignment, a small assignment, which you will collect within 3 days. You look at a question. I will share a question on WhatsApp, which you will use the reducing balance method, the second method, to calculate it. And then we shall meet in the next class, and then we look at it. Thank you and have a nice time.